Hi there and welcome to blogjam. Today we're going to be looking at the A major pentatonic scale, and we're going to be using Cheap Trick's Want You to Want Me as an example, so here it goes. So one of the most common questions I get asked is what key should I be in? What mode should I be playing in? Is it major or minor, or is it pentatonic, or is it both? And so in this case, we're just going to go over one scale, and we'll probably do each one as we go along. But for now, this is the A major pentatonic. Okay, and with the A major pentatonic, the big difference between the minor pentatonic and the major pentatonic is that the major pentatonic has an F sharp and a C sharp in it, and the minor pentatonic has a G and a C. And just for review's sake, and I'm sure a lot of you know these patterns already, but I'll quickly go over the minor pentatonic in A. So there's our A fret, and if you've been following some of the older lessons I put out, you'll know how to read these frets on the way up. At first, the flattened banana was fresh, gives you F and B flat. Guitar chord is G and C, and fifth autumn day, fifth fret, autumn day, A and D. So there's your A. Anytime you want to play a minor pentatonic and you want to go to that first position to kind of start off what kind of solo you might be doing or whatever, it's at first anyways, it's a really good idea to just stick with that first position. So if you're in the key of A, you go to the A fret. And what I mean by the A fret is this high E and this low E fretted on the 5th fret, they both give you an A. So if you go to the 5th fret, use your first finger as your anchor, and then do this pattern, you're now in A minor pentatonic. Okay? So do that really slowly. These have a 3 fret differential at the very beginning. Second fret is 3 frets as well, or second string, sorry, is 3 frets as well. Then it's 2 for the next 3 strings. And then the last one is 3. Okay, that will give you your minor pentatonic. Okay, with a major pentatonic, all you're going to do is you're actually going to slide this down 3 frets. 1, 2, 3. Now you do exactly the same pattern. 3 fret differential, 3 fret differential, 2, 2, 2, and 3 at the bottom, and you get this. Okay. Now when it comes to your major, you don't have to worry about sharps and flats or whatever. Just remember that when you're playing a minor pentatonic, your anchor finger goes up to that fret, right? So minor pentatonic in A, your anchor finger goes to 5th, because that's A. In a major pentatonic, slide down 3 frets, and guess what? Your baby finger now is on the A fret. Now, another thing that you can use as kind of a reminder to where to go when you're trying to look for a major pentatonic is it's based, this whole scale is, at least this position, is based around the A chord, which is this chord here. Okay? I tend to play that chord like this, because then I can move it around a bit. So, if you take a look at that, where that is, you're already in position for the A major pentatonic. So you can actually play the A chord and do runs right off the chord. So, that being said, the A major pentatonic then is based around, again, the fact that you have an F sharp and a C sharp instead of a G and a C. Now, there is ways you can do hybrid scales and mix the two together, but we'll definitely go on to that a little later. So, if you take a look at this song, a lot of it is just... He actually goes up to this position a couple times too. But even though he does go up to this position, he still stays in the major pentatonic and not the minor. That's a different position for the A major pentatonic. So for now, just remember this one. Now, the thing that we all should know at this point is that if you ever want to go up an octave to wherever you're playing, you have to go up 12 frets. It's the same thing as if this string here was open. If I go all the way to 12th, I'm playing an E. E there, E there. So it stands to reason that if I play an F sharp on 2nd, I add 12 to that, I get 14. Right? So this position down here, just been going over that, the song actually starts way down here on, guess where, 14. So anchor your finger on 14, just like you would on 2nd. You're an octave higher, and you do the same run. That's the whole run there. So in essence, it's equivalent of doing that. So, have some fun with that, experiment with it, and yeah, if you have that song somewhere in your arsenal, you can put it on and just jam to it. It's a pretty cool song. I'm at this point, I'm not really going to put up the song any more than I already have, but like I said, if you have access to it, just put it on and jam away with it on that particular scale. Have fun, and we'll see you down the road.